Have you not been able to do what you love because of your health? Are you constantly stressed out? Would you like to age well? Do you long to feel healthy and vibrant? Ready to release poor habits and embrace good health? Get control of your clutter so your health clutter doesn't control you. Reclaim time, money, sanity, and resources. Got Clutter 365 journal prompt help supports you in clearing your health clutter. Free gift with purchase to support you even more in your journey to declutter your life and find better health. Awareness plus action equals change. When you become aware of your clutter, then you can take action to release it. You may not even be aware of the clutter you have in your life. Stop being afraid. How has your fear prevented you from living your life to the fullest? Learn how to clear your clutter, which will support you in clearing clutter in other areas of your life. Gain clarity. Are you tired of being stressed out most of the time? Clearing your clutter allows you to focus on what's most important in your life. Honor your pace. The prompts aren't dated or numbered, so you can do the workbook to fit your lifestyle and schedule. Many times people with clutter are overwhelmed, so I've added an additional step of teasing out what's most important for you to know with each question. You can choose to do this or not. You've got this. Are you worried you can't do it alone? Know that you can declutter your life. Even if you've never done this work before, it's within your abilities. Don't sell yourself short and underestimate what you can accomplish. Start today. Isn't it time you took the first step to release clutter and reclaim your life? The present moment is your point of power to change. Check out all of my Got Clutter 365 journal prompt books to clear all the clutter in your life. Available at reawakenyourbrilliance.com, Amazon, Google Books, and more.